Greetings and welcome back to Peter's Passion. Is it your first time here? Please click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will receive a notification. So today we are going to be doing a driving vlog in Capetown CBD. I'm going to show you the beautiful city of Cape Town. So without wasting much of your time, let's have it. Ladies and gentlemen, Peter Mutarani, thank you so much. We have reached the end of our video. We have reached the end of our vlog. So thank you so much. And with that, Peter Mutarani signing out.